Yo, welcome back, man. Welcome back to Let's Talk Everything 414 podcast. Y'all already know who I am. I am the host, Karnage. Everybody hit the like button, hit that subscribe button right off the bat. I need you to hit that button right off the motherfucking bat. It's been a minute since I done got back with y'all, right? Yeah, it's been a minute again. And a lot of times, you feel me? I be doing other shit. You feel me? I just gotta admit, I be doing other shit, man. Purposefully, as I should be doing other shit. I would never let myself be bored or get bored, with not doing other shit. I mean, I just feel like that. I should plug up my mic. I definitely should plug in my mic. At the end of the day, I hope everybody can hear me great though. I don't got the mic plugged in. It's the internal mic, but the internal mic sound hella great. I'm surprised. I think this was the first mic I started with when I first started recording. This is the first mic I started with, man. The internal mic. Let me plug in my mic. Hey, who's going in and out? What's that noise? Oh. Yo, I think everybody hear me now. Yeah, most definitely you hear me now. That USB mic is different, gang. At the end of the day, I feel like, gang, you gotta know when sand has been poured in your engine, man. You gotta know when sand been poured in your engine, because a lot of times nigga pour sand in your engine, and tell you it's for your better off. At the end of the day, that ain't for your better off. Trust me. You gotta know when sand been poured in your engine. Right? What I mean by that is, a lot of y'all have potential. You have drive. Spunk. All the above. But you let another motherfucker, another entity, steer you the wrong way and make you feel like it's for your better off on not chasing your drive. A lot of times I used to let people do that to me. Make me feel like I couldn't do anything. Make me feel like I wasn't worth it. All the above. But at the end of the day, I had to fight through that shit. I had to understand something about myself, like, gang. I had to understand. I am that motherfucker. Not that nobody else is. That just I am. I have to recognize that, guy. I have to understand that. For better or for worse, I have to make sure I understand that. Because if I didn't, People keep staring me, you know what I'm saying, the wrong way. People keep telling me I ain't this motherfucker. Making me feel like whatever. See, people make you feel like whatever, man. You gotta sort of pay attention. Words, language, lingo, all the above. Hey, bring me some tissue right there, Tabby. A lot of times I choose not to pay no attention to none of the above. Because none of the above really matter if you're not upgrading or better. You know what I mean? Materialistic shit. A lot of y'all think the job and a car, a better pair of shoes is something that's part of upgrade. No, a lot of niggas are still mentally fucked up. Simple. So you gotta understand, when somebody pouring this smudge in your engine, pouring sand in your engine, salt, whatever it may be, you gotta understand how to not accept it. You feel me? How to stop letting people conduct what's going on in your field, conduct what's going on in your wave. You know what I'm saying? Definitely, if they don't even know what's going on in their own wave. A lot of times, I remember in my days, people try to tell me how to conduct shit I'm doing. Like, dog, I don't need no help. I don't need nobody telling me nothing. Because for one, I do my own shit. Two, I don't think it's too many niggas that can tell me how to do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's bitches. No niggas or bitches that can tell me how to do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it for quite some time, so it's like when it comes to doing anything I do, gang, I know what I'm doing. But a lot of times, a lot of people try to make you despise what you do, trying to make you hate what you do, or because they can't do what you do, or because of who gives a fuck. Honestly, I never give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? There never been no competition for me. I ain't no competition. I study something more different from what everybody else saw. I always knew I was in a different line from everybody else. So at the end of the day, you know, I be telling you all, like, gang, when you got people out there that's trying to post it in your engine, you got to pay attention to the con. You got to watch them. You got to understand that everybody ain't for you. Everybody ain't meant to be riding on a wagon you won't. They might act like it, but they ain't meant to be riding on your wagon you want, gang. I said this many times. A lot of times, the motherfucker they gonna play this game like they with you and they gonna ride the wave. But look, you gotta understand something. You is alone in this battle. You is alone in this battle. You alone in this fight, gang. No matter what nobody tell you, alone in this battle and fight. You know what I'm saying? As simple as that. You alone. And once you realize that, gang, you probably be better off. Maybe, I don't know. Ain't no telling. But if you don't be better off by yourself, then so be it. Just that regular. Why you always like watching shit, bro? Stop turning this up, bro. You don't even be watching. Yeah, a lot of times though, you know, I don't pay attention to what nobody else do because I ain't in the same room as nobody else. And hopefully don't nobody else pay attention to what I do because they ain't in a room of what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. So you gotta stay focused. When somebody points sand in your engine, guy, you gotta know they are not, you know, just trying to keep you safe from speeding. They trying to stop you from moving. A lot of niggas do that. They try to stop you from moving. Like in my days, a lot of niggas used to try to hinder me from moving, trying to hinder me from doing what the fuck I had to do. I had to understand how to get past that. Like, look, believe in myself. Stop believing in niggas. Now it ain't shit nobody can tell me, gang. Ain't nothing nobody can call me and tell me, because I don't want to do what nobody else doing. The reason I keep going and do what the fuck I gotta do is because I know that shit gonna work. I know that shit gonna blow me up. I know that shit gonna take me where I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? The difference between me and people is I'm patient. A lot of y'all ain't. A lot of y'all don't know how to strive for what you want. A lot of y'all don't know how to chase for what you want, gang. That's the truth. I care less who mad. I care less who feel however they feel. All I know is, nigga, a lot of this shit, man, it takes grind, it takes work. No matter what nobody expect. A lot of y'all got expectations out there. Half of y'all expectations, you think somebody want to live up to? Don't nobody care about your expectations? What you mean? Nobody care about your expectations. The only expectations a person should care about themselves. You matter at the end of the day. When everybody dead and gone 10 years from now, what the fuck you think gonna be taking place? Your life. Unless you dead and gone. Other than that, yeah. You know, nothing else matter. Other than that, nothing else matter. Fuck what another motherfucker talking about all that extra shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do for you, man. Grind hard, stay down for the grind. Stay down till you come up. Anyway, I love y'all, man. I am out.